rough 60 hours, man. Seriously. Played a show in Salt Lake City yesterday. We ended up getting stuck on the highway somewhere in Montana. And we've been living in a goddamn bus for at least 60 hours. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. Thank you. What a sight for sore eyes. Hey, listen, I've just been with these nasty ass guys for days upon days, they were complaining it's too hot, it's too cold. Hey, come snuggle up with me. Don't touch me. Hey, and it just, things got weird. And it was really close to us, breaking up the band this morning when we got off the bus. We were gonna start separate factions of Viagra Boys. I was gonna take Viagra Boys north. Oh, you love to see. Oh my God. Listen, I ain't seen anything except for these boys' naked asses for days. And it's been nice. It's been really nice, but also very, very weird. But I just want to say, I fucking love being in Vancouver. Every time is a good time. You guys rule, man.